Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the another episode of Getting Started with C Sharp. I'm Faisal, and today we will talk about the next phase of Windows Form application. In our previous video, we have talked about the events. In this video, we will talk more about events. Okay, so what is event? As we have discussed in our earlier video, event is an action of the user. So user can do any action and the system or the application will perform accordingly. So which interaction should the system interact is defined by the system. So how can we get those? The list. If we click on the control and go to the properties, I can go to right click, press properties, and we have seen that there is a button called event, and there are a lot of events this button can support, and each of the event has their own description and own methodology. For example, if I want to change the color of the button, if I put the mouse over it, so I need to find if there is any method or any event support that. So I'm going to check that. So let's go to mouse. Where is the mouse? Here is the mouse. Is the mouse over, and the description tells me this occurs when the mouse remains stationary inside of the control of an amount of time. So if I click, if I put my mouse on there, this event will fire. So I'm just double click it. So what's happening here, whenever my mouse go to the top of the button, this method will fire. So to check the button, I'm going to add that. Where is that? Button 1, sorry, button 1 dot background color back. Okay, so this is the property back color. It's tell me gets or sets the background color of the control, which is the button. This is what I need, and I want to put it as okay. So what do I do here? I will check what I can set as the color. So if I again put my mouse over that, I can see it's the color. I guess you can see the total descriptions tells me color, button face, button base dot back color. So it's the type of color it takes. So color dot suppose red. Okay, now I want to run it. So I'm going to put my mouse over here. See, this changed, but the problem is whenever I put my mouse out of it, it is not unchanged. So let's do it again. So what I need now is to put the color back. So let's go to the events, mouse leave. Let's search for, yes, the mouse leave, and what it does occurs when the mouse leaves the visible part of the control. This is what I need. Okay, so let's double click here, and CON, it's supposed to have, okay, maybe we are doing it. Suppose I'm putting it as silver. Let's see what happens. So I'm running it again, putting my mouse, removing it. See, so what's the point? In this video we have seen we can interact with different events of the control, provided that the system supports that event. So that's all for today. I guess you can work with different events from now on. For example, let's open another. Where is the toolbox? Toolbox. Okay, so let's drag a toolbox. Suppose let's drag a panel here. Suppose. So this panel, what events this panel supports? There are a lot of events it can support. So if we want to do something, just follow the event description and double click on that, and you can do according to your requirement. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, Allah Hafiz.